Welcome to Tool School. I'm Katrina Walker. In this episode of Tool School, we will explore the fabric folding pen. Clover's fabric folding pen is a unique tool for easily making folds in fabric. The liquid-filled fabric folding pen makes natural fibers soft and pliable along a line drawn with the pen so that a fold can be created quickly and accurately. The fabric folding pen comes with a bottle of special folding liquid. To prepare the fabric folding pen, start by unscrewing the felt-tipped end from the barrel of the pen. Fill the fabric folding pen with water up to the water level line. Then add 4 to 5 drops of the folding solution and reattach the pen tip. The fabric folding pen can be used anytime you need to create a fold in fabric. It's wonderful for using to create hems, reversible applique, origami quilting, and finger pressing seams. Simply place a ruler along the fold line you want to create. Draw along the ruler using the fabric folding pen to create a damp line. Finish by finger pressing along the dampened line. It is recommended to test first on the edge of the fabric before using the fabric folding pen on an unfamiliar fabric. Although the fabric folding pen comes with a bottle of the special folding liquid, bottles of the liquid can also be purchased separately if needed. The fabric folding pen is a simple but amazingly effective tool that will make folding hems and precision pressing fast and easy. Once you've tried it, you'll wonder how you ever sewed without it. I'm Katrina Walker. Thank you for attending Tool School.